Hi everybody, thank you for coming. We are micromedicine specialists and we will be talking about DNA transcription in 100 years.
We will allow time for questions at the end of the presentation. Please don't interrupt us. I will turn it over to Mario, who's going to start with the explanation.
Thanks, Ariel. First, I will begin with the repairment of DNA, a solution to avoid the pathologies. We have prior information. In the meaning, a disease or genetic disorder is a pathology, a condition that is caused by an alteration in the genome that is caused the synthesis of the effective proteins. In the first point, we have the errors in the transcript that are incorrigible. In the second one, we have the disease that some of them are complicated to the human development. The treatment also there is no secures and guarantees. Nowadays we don't have the enough technology that allow us to make a treatment or a good result to the disease. But with technology, with the time, it is going to change. And finally, in the point number 4, we have the results that they are not expected what we are wanted. Now I will turn it to Ariel.
Thanks, Mario. So I will talk about 100 years after. So in the first point, as you can see on the slide, we have the DNA corrections. In the future, with all the technology advantages, we can get the correction of the DNA with the micromedicines advantages. The second point, as we can see, we have a picture with some pathologies that we know nowadays, like Parkinson or Alzheimer. In the future, we are not going to have disease because if we can correct all the DNA problems, we can avoid any of them. And the third point talks about the guaranteed treatments. I think that all of you have some bad experience with surgery. So in the future, we can get many surgeries with avoiding all the problems. And on the fourth point, we could get perfect results with any problem, and we also can get good babies to our lives. I have to say to you thank you for the attention. And does anyone of you have any question?
Do you think life expectancy can exceed on 100 years?
That's a really nice question, but we are going to talk about this topic the next week here in this explanation. So I will just have to say thank you for your attention. Bye.